कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी, और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is 23 years old business consulting firm with presence in 80 plus cities with 275 consultants who are helping, facilitating each and every investor in getting the business solutions, suggestions from our side so that you can take a conscious and right decision. We truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because we have helped more than 5,000 international and national brands to expand their business with our 80 plus offices. We also happy to share that we have helped more than 78,000 investors in getting the business solutions and solutions from our side. We are truly committed towards our investors as well as our brands, and we have expertise in brokerage, consulting, and brand management. With this introduction, we welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, once will get a correct and complete understanding about the brand, they'll be sharing their insights, viewpoint with us so that we all take the right decision in our life. The brand which we are representing you today is Unique Truth, a professionally managed center for kids counseling, training, and personality development. And it is our privilege to invite and welcome Murli sir, who is a founder, and Maheshwari ma'am, she's the CEO of Unique to talk about the brand. But before we formally invite them to present their business model with us, I would like to invite Sonia ma'am to talk about our initiative, which we have taken for our investors under Advantage Advisory Program. Over to you, Sonia ma'am.
Thank you so much, Arshna, and a very good afternoon to all our friends who have joined on this Sunday noon for the Business Opportunity Over Chai series. And I also welcome our brand of the day, Unique Truth, and the management team, which has joined to represent the business model. And friends, Investor Advantage is a program which helps every investor to evaluate options which are right for them. And through this program, we allocate our advisors at Franchise India, including our independent franchise consultants in about 85 cities, who work with every investor who is thinking of or exploring or want to evaluate any business opportunity. Because we understand through our platform, or maybe the world at large, there are many opportunities which every investor is exposed to, a lot of information, business models which are presented through our medium across industries, and it might be sometimes overwhelming for any investor to select or choose what is right for him. So this is where our teams work with every investor to evaluate an opportunity, and also work with every prospective business buyer to assess 5 important tools which helps him to evaluate the right fitment of the business, which includes his own self assessment, where he evaluates personality traits like the business skills, experience, knowledge, and most important, the ability to meet the challenge of a business, and especially for the first time business buyers, which is very, very important. And second, we work with every investor on also assessing the industry, which is the overall growth, current and future prospects of that industry, and overall demand. Third, we work to assess overall market. Is that market right for the business that you want to? And is there a demand of that particular business in that market you want to open? Fourth, we also work with every investor to do a very in-depth competition, or I would say peer-to-peer assessment, where we look at similar brands and analyze their credibility, background, and offering. And lastly, our teams work with you to do a brand assessment, which means the people behind, also a lot of other things, which includes transparency in providing the information, prototype of the company, and many other information which are important and imperative for investor to take a decision, is something our teams work through. So all these 5 assessment tools is what becomes a foundation of our Investor Advantage program. Apart from this, we also have a no obligation meeting through Zooms or through telephonic calls, where any investor who wants to brainstorm as to what is right for him. We also do these no obligation sessions through our teams and through our IFCs. And when I say no obligation, you don't have any obligation to pay or register for any of the services, but this is a free consulting session that we conduct for every investor. On an average, we do about 30 odd consultation meetings every day. So if you're keen to block your session, you can do that on the hotline number, or you can even write to us on our email ID, which is feedback@franchiseindia.in. We'll put that in the Q&A in the chat box. And if you wish to block, you can do that with us. And with this, I'd like to give back to Archana to formally invite Mr. Murli and Mrs. Maheshwari for initiating and starting the presentation.
Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for welcoming and sharing your insights with us. And now we welcome Ms. Maheshwari as well as Murli sir to talk about the great initiative which they have taken for us. Over to you, ma'am, so that we can have a formal presentation from your side.
Yeah, namaste and lovely morning to one and all. So I would like to present the PPT. Yeah, I believe it's visible for everybody now.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm Maheshwari Ganachari, CEO of Unique Truth. So today I'm here to present about our company, what exactly we do and how we go about. So all about Unique Truth now. So Unique Truth is an organization where we are majorly into training and counseling. So we are two unique people with unique minds. I'm stressing it, unique people with unique minds and with a unique thought. We have a very, very broad vision. So you can see in the name also the unique. What exactly do I mean by unique? I'll be explaining you in a while. We all are aware that we all are unique. We know that by large and now, so I am unique, you are unique, entire creature in this world is unique. So with this concept, we have come up with an organization, Unique Truth, where we want to help people to explore their truths within themselves. So what I exactly mean that is each one of us are born with a unique talent, potential. I have my own capabilities, my own strengths, my own inborn strengths. I'm good at something, really good at something. But are we aware of that? So that becomes the vision of Unique Truth, to help people to explore their inborn potential, their strengths, and perform and look for a purpose in their life based on their uniqueness. That's how when a person can be happily live his life. Because we are aware we are unique, but most of the time what happens, we are living our life based on the image given by our parents or the society. But somewhere I am not aware what is exactly my uniqueness, what are my strengths, where I am good at, how I can perform, where are my qualities, where I'm lacking, where are my strengths. We really miss out on this. It starts from the childhood. Okay. So this is all about the vision of Unique Truth. So we want to help people to explore their true uniqueness, and we do trainings and counseling based on these programs. So when it comes to the programs, we are basically associating ourselves with the education system, We are associating ourselves with the schools, and we do trainings for teachers, we do seminars for the parents, we are doing life skill programs for the students at the schools. So I would like to explain the three programs which we are very much confident about in our organization. That is, one is the overall development programs which we are doing for schools. The other one is the fingerprint analysis which we talk now. Fingerprint analysis is one major thing which helps a person to know about the uniqueness of that particular person or any individual, by say that. So with this method, we're using this fingerprint analysis, we are helping people to explore their uniqueness and at the same time, the overall developments for the school program. So what we do is exactly we get in touch with the schools and we have tied up with schools. We are doing overall development programs throughout the year. We are getting back to the roots, teaching children to know their true abilities. Children are like not aware of their own true abilities, what they can do or where they are lacking and what they have to improve on. So we are guiding them weekly once, say like that. The programs are built like that, and so help them to know their true abilities, and they start performing. They can improve on their self confidence, their self esteem and concentration. Many beautiful things have been taught, because of which they gain confidence and they start performing in a best way. They start believing in themselves, which was very much lacking in the children nowadays. So these are the two main programs, and the second one is fingerprint analysis. So when I talk about fingerprint analysis, so many of us have gathered here. All of you might be a passionate in business or want to be entrepreneurs or something like that. So each one of us have to perform in our life based on our passion. So I am passionate about teaching, communication. I have a good interpersonal skills. I can do best when I sit like this or when I stand in front of people and communicate them and transfer the knowledge whatever we have. I'm really good at that. So the same way, each person has some amazing talent which way they can get to know this fingerprint analysis. So what if there is no fingerprint analysis? Yes, we are most of the time, sometimes we'll get to know what is my potential or what is my passion, but not everybody would be able to assess their passion and talents or potential. So this fingerprint concept helps the people to explore their talents. Say for example, Mr. Murali, the founder of Unique Truth, he is very much good in explaining people or helping people to explore their potential. He can connect dots. Okay, this is where you're good at, this is where you're lacking, improve on this, you are going to perform amazingly in your life. So he is too good in that. So that is his uniqueness. So we help people, we have helped many people to explore their uniqueness. People are really stuck in their life. What I'm good at, what is my niche, what do I have to do in life? Many of us are not aware. So children, when it comes to children, they just are following the parents' dream most of the times, if I'm not wrong. Parent wanted to do an engineering or parent wanted to become a doctor, they just ask the child or force the child to do it. Say parents wanted to pursue a dream in music but couldn't do it, and then the child is forced. Is the child really interested, or the child is really having that potential or that ability to perform music or some other thing in life? So we have to respect everybody's uniqueness. We are here in Unique Truth. We believe that each person is, not only person, every creature on this earth and in this universe is unique. We need to respect them. We need to help them to explore their uniqueness and perform based on that. There are many aspects when it comes to fingerprint analysis and the training programs what we conduct in the schools. What happens, a child, there is a classroom setting and the teacher is going on teaching, and I guess you people will be knowing there are three basic learning methods. The teacher is going on giving the auditory lessons. People who are the children who are really good at auditory skills, they will just go on grabbing. The teacher feels that these students are really brilliant students and have a very good IQ. But what about those other children who are really good, but their learning method is different? Maybe they learn through visuals or through kinesthetic method. They need some practical sessions to understand a concept. But teachers or parents being unaware of this, They are branding the child or tagging the child, telling that IQ is not good, or the concentration is not good, or the child is not performing best. So this is where Unique Truth is helping each individual, say a child or an adult, to perform. Say any person in the mid age, maybe 30, 35, stuck. They are doing some job. Say somebody is a software professional, they are doing a job, but still unsatisfied, unhappy, mid-age crisis, doesn't want to continue the job. What is the reason? Is they are basically not performing based on their uniqueness. So this is where uniqueness gives a wonderful support to help, to people explore their true uniqueness and perform based on that. So as I said, we are doing holistic development programs for teachers, parents, and students. We believe in this triangle model. It's not that we parents send the children to the school and tell, it's teachers' duty. Now I'm paying plenty of fees and teachers have to do their job. It's not that. It has to work in the triangle mode. Teachers have to do their best based on the uniqueness of a child, and parents have to do best, and the teachers have to be aware of few things in the teaching pattern. So here we contribute as an organization. In this triangle model, we give holistic development program for the children to know their true abilities. Each and every child is special. Each and every child is capable and unique and talented in one or the other way. Maybe one child is good in education, the other child is good in music or sports. Only thing is we need to identify and nurture them, promote them, encourage them, appreciate them. At the same time, the same knowledge is given to parents in their area, how they are supposed to give support to the children, and what is the role of a teacher when doing it. So this is how we are doing year-long programs in the schools in 3 wings, and the learning skills and knowing your strengths and intelligence. So I was telling, knowing about the potential. This, maybe you all have heard about it, multiple intelligence. Each and every one of us here are having this multiple intelligence, 8 multiple intelligence. Few are good in something, few are good in, definitely good in something else. But are each one of us are aware? Say anybody can guess, I have a good interpersonal skills, that's communications is too good in me, and I have a good language ability. So using these two skills, I am sitting here, or I'm coaching to people, or I'm doing training sessions in the schools for parents. I'm doing online sessions also, only based on these two multiple intelligences, which are doing very higher range in me. At the same time, when a person gets to know what they're really good in, they can perform really well. So these are the 3 programs, and what are the challenges which we can work on actually? Many parents come up, my child has a lack of concentration, their memory power is too, they are really stubborn, they don't listen to us. At the young age, say a 6-year or 7-year child is getting angry, on and on and on. Somebody is very shy. I'm not shy, my husband is not shy, but why is my child shy? We are ultra disciplined family, but my child is not disciplined. They have a rote learning method. Somebody is having too much of negative thinking, somebody is having unhealthy habits. They just touch this teenage, they are getting addicted to mobiles and gadgets and Facebook and Instagram and many more things. Why is this happening? Okay, when we sit in a general setup, I give solutions. Okay, I give solutions for 100 children sitting their children sitting there on anger or poor memory. But does it reach all the 100 children? No, definitely not, because each child is unique, and I have to provide solutions based on their uniqueness. Say for example, 100 people are there, I'll suggest them, okay, have ginger tea if you're having cold. That doesn't suit for everybody. Only people who are, which suits ginger, only those people can have ginger tea, not everybody, and get cured. No, that doesn't work. The same way, Unique Truth is specialized in giving solutions or work out on any challenges. We can guarantee that any challenges a child or any adult is facing based on their uniqueness. So there are many challenges we have mentioned here. So based on this, we can provide solutions. And sometimes what happens when we go to schools, there are really difficult, challenging children where teachers are unable to handle, or the school counselors are unable to handle. So for such particular children, we suggest fingerprint analysis, and we understand what is the personality of the child, where exactly the problem is. And basically, the child is not at all a problem. I'm repeating, the child is not at all a problem. The way we have raised the children, or the circumstances or the environment has created the child to behave in a certain way. So here we help people or the parent to understand this is how they have to guide a child based on their personality or uniqueness. And when it comes to the franchisee model, and how do we, or basically what are the programs right now Unique Truth is handling. So Unique Truth, being an organization, we are doing offline programs and online programs. When it comes to offline programs, we are having exclusive centers. In our centers, we are doing programs, we do counseling, we do classes, regular classes, so the way we do in the schools. So we have a group of students coming from that particular locality, and we are giving regular sessions for them based on their self confidence, everything. We have a train program, we have a set design program. Based on that, we go on executing in the center, and we connect to the schools from nursery to 12th or 10th standard students. In few schools we are connected from 6th standard to 10th standard. So we are working in the schools on a year long basis. And in the online model, right now we are having two webinars which are running very successfully. One is the secrets of life, and the other one is on parenting. This parenting program, what we are doing on online, it's very, very unique. It's all based on the uniqueness. We all are wonderful parents. We are doing parenting. We do respect, me being a parent, I respect all the parents. But what is it that has to be given at a certain age? There is something called as belief systems, how it has to be built, at what age it has to be built. Even though parents are loving their children, what sort of love they have to give, and such details. We are conducting 7 sessions in a package. And there is one more program is called the secrets of life. Say if any, for anybody who is above 15 years plus, so anybody can join from 15 years plus. So this program is a wonderful self development program, I can say. So we have 9 sessions in this particular sessions, in this particular program, wherein we go on giving secrets for their life. We are seeing the situations around. Every one of us want to be happy. Okay, I have a certain goal, I want to reach a certain goal. But in spite of me reaching the goal, I have to see that, or each person have to see that, while I reach my goal, I need to be happy in the journey. How can I be happy? There are irritating people around me, but still, how can I be happy? How do I balance myself emotionally? All these things have been covered in this particular sessions. Every person have a desire. I want my life, in this pattern. I want to be happy, healthy. I want a lavish and luxury life. Each and every person has something like that. How do they design their own life? I said unique. Okay, we help you to explore your uniqueness and truth. There are some wonderful truths for each of us. I can do it. I am born to create wonders in my life. I am the creator of life. These are some certain truths which each one of us have to be aware. So these kind of programs in a package has been conducted in online sessions. So this is about the programs which we are conducting in Unique Truth. So now management profile. So we are Murli here. We have Murli here, who is the founder of Unique Truth. He is having 8 years of experience in this particular field. He is a expert in the fingerprint analysis expert, and he's an NLP coach. He's a trainer. He's a certified trained professional. He's a graphologist, and he's done many counselings based on the fingerprint analysis. Say we have done 3,000 plus reports till now, and we have done wonderful counseling. And I can tell that we are the best fingerprint analysis counselors in India. And I'm Maheshwari Ganachari. I'm the CEO of Unique Truth. Basically, I'm a child counselor, and I'm a trainer, I'm a facilitator, I'm also a graphologist. So this is our profile, and we are the two main people. And we are only developing our own content. It's not picked up from here and there. It is all based research done based on the uniqueness of the person. Entire content is designed by Murli and executed by me. So it's a wonderful team. We are going like this. So this is all about the management profile of Unique Truth. And now plans to expand in the presence of franchisee route. As I said, um, here, once as a head office, we are here in Unique Truth. The franchise people also can take up the offline classes and online classes. In the online classes, what we are expecting is they can get the enrollment. Since we are conducting here, they can support, the franchise people can support us in getting the enrollments. So basically all the support would be given. That plan I think we'll discuss in the next one. uh, you can see the model here. So we help or we support the franchise people to how the fingerprint analysis system goes, how do we capture, how do we generate the report, and how these programs are conducted in the schools, how to approach the schools, and how do we conduct the training programs to be conducted in the schools. It is entirely program designed and everything is ready. Only thing is we need people there. They have to be ready to go and execute in the schools. And when it comes to the financial dynamics, and the investment part would be like 9,18,000 for per franchisee module. And um, this is it, and the other details are here. And for the fingerprint analysis and the revenue generation model, so how does the revenue generate here is we get in touch with the schools, and we are getting regular income from the schools when we get tied up with the school in the year long programs. And we are charging 6K for per fingerprint analysis report. So the franchisee people get a percentage there, and it has been divided in that. We can discuss the financial part in detail later. And how, what exactly is required in terms of the skill sets. So basically a person has to be able to understand the customer required. Say a client comes, what exactly they need, what is their need, and then counseling and advisory skills is must, and monitoring young minds, empathy to understand the other person's feelings, what they're exactly going through, and then business development and skills to enter the school model and to maintain the relationships. So this is the basic requirement for the setup or the counselors which we are looking for in the franchisee module. So, and the key support functions, the program evolution, and there is a R&D to evolve the scope of fingerprint analysis report that is being done by the head office, that's Unique Truth. And the content development for life skill training programs, that is completely taken care by Unique Truth. So that is given, everything is ready. And online training programs brings an additional revenue system. So because we are already doing online sessions, only thing is they need to connect to people and get the leads. That's where the revenue generation happens in that particular system also. And the pre-opening assistance and team training is completely supported by the head office. The customer training and the counseling part, that training is also taken care. And assistance, whether it is in terms of collecting the fingerprints, the processing, everything that is taken care of the head office. Only thing is the collection part, that entire training is taken care by the head office. And then assistance to be given in the marketing section. And the rollout plan, right now we are planning to spread across the South Indian range, especially in the cities like Bangalore, Mysore, Belgaum, Mangalore, and Hubli, Gulbarga. And then later stages, that is the first stage where we are seeing in Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, and then next to Hyderabad and Warangal, and then like that in the Kerala region, that's all. And then in the phase 3 module, phase 2, that is pan India level. So right now we are looking, we have to spread across Karnataka in the south region. And then keen to do master franchisee deals outside Bangalore. So we are open for master franchisee deals outside Bangalore. So even this option, we are open for this option actually. So interested people, then we can discuss on the financial model in the later part. And this is all about Unique Truth, what exactly we do, and with the 3 main programs. Thank you one and all for giving us these opportunities.
Thank you so much, Maheshwari ji and Murli ji, for this presentation. And before I start taking up the question from the audience, there are many which I'm seeing have started coming in already. Friends, I like to maybe give a summary of overall business model. Like Maheshwari ji mentioned, this is a franchisee and franchisee operated model, and it works on a biometric or a fingerprint scan model, which helps to generate a report which can give clues on the abilities of candidates and what career might be suitable based on the skills they possess. And so, Maheshwari ji, I'll straight, come on the business model. I think the first question which I wanted to perhaps check is on your so we've talked about overall investment of about say 8.5 lakhs kind of a structure, which includes your franchise fees and also the capex, including the equipment which goes into setting up of the outlet. If we can further, break that down and what all requirements are there for the initial infrastructure, what kind of equipments are required, if that can be extended a little bit, I think that should be helpful. And then on the second question, I would like to also maybe talk a little bit on the operating expenses and revenues, because we've talked about the capex. I like to also understand on the operating expenses what these are, and also a little bit on the revenue streams, including the revenue that comes from K-12 and also exclusive center. If little bit understanding on that can be given. Now, starting off first and foremost with the investment on the business model, if we can take a minute to detail out the various expenses and what all goes in the initial capex.
Yeah, you want me to explain on that?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think I've stopped sharing. I'll just give me a second. And maybe if I get a chance, then I would like to go through the website of us. And
Sure.
so before presenting this, I would like to share on the website, and I would like to share some images. Give me a second. I just. I'm unable to operate this. Kindly give me a second. Okay. So before explaining that, I would like to, we have few testimonials they can go through. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay. So we have our website here, and we have many testimonials on fingerprint analysis from people who have undergone the fingerprint analysis. And we have our Google reviews on Unique Truth, and there are a lot of Google reviews based on our online sessions and the school trainings in the schools. People can even go through that. I would like to share a few pictures. Okay, it's taking time. So the website is uniquetruth.in. Okay, it's okay. So is it visible, Sonia ji?
Hanji, yes, we can see the website.
So I'm unable to zoom each pictures or images. So this is a view of gallery or the images, the programs which we do conduct in schools and for teachers, and the counseling part. Maybe they can go through the website again. Now I would like to come back to the financial model which you're asking for. Now is this visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. The actual investment what has been told is 9,18,000. In that interior and fit outs, the main is 3,50,000, and then equipment parts comes to around 1,68,000, and then pre-opening part is 1 lakh, and then franchisee fees, and it includes franchisee fees also. That's 3 lakhs. So this is the split you're asking, or you want me to go in detail?
So, I like to maybe spend maybe 2-3 minutes on this slide where you can explain and little bit on the revenue streams also, you know, and
I would like to hand it over to Murli. Murli, can you just take over this financial part?
the previous slide. And if we can explain, because I think overall we've taken a revenue of 8.94 from fingerprint analysis, life skills 7.92, and we've further split that into school-based and online. If that can also be, you know, analyzed further, where we can describe and share with our audience typically what is the batch size, number of students one would need to reach this kind of a revenue model, one, and how long it takes for a center to reach that level, especially the initial 1 month, 2 month, I'm sure is a gestation time where the franchise center needs to go and tie up with maybe schools or some centers and also invite a lot of admissions. So that gestation included how long will it take for him to reach that optimum level, and how many students will one need to reach a revenue as we have predicted in year 1 and subsequently in year 2 and 5.
Okay, that's it. Will Murli, you will be able to take on this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Madam, actually, the first thing is we tie up with the schools. That is the first part. So it's depend upon the school numbers. Actually, our programs are, from the 6th standard to 10th standard. So it is the environment and the structure, how they have inside the classrooms. Accordingly, the programs runs in the schools. Actually, in any of the school, minimum 500 students and 1,000 students will be available in the school. So that we tie up with the schools and we go and we do the training programs in their premises itself. That is the first level. Second level, so my office environment is able to accommodate for 20 students or 30 students. Again, it comes in a batch wise, as well as we have a different training modules. For example, madam was saying that we are doing it for self-confidence and concentration, willpower and communication skills, and any of the lacking skills which is connected to academics or the behavioral part. So everything we have made a proper structure here. So every child is not coming only directly for life skills training program. Whatever they want, they can choose it. Accordingly, we can just bifurcate the classrooms and the students numbers based on the classroom infrastructures. So that is how it works. Actually, this is the main module we are showing here, that fingerprint analysis is one more different thing which is not connected to training part, which is happens one-on-one basic programs that too may handle through counselors who are available in the centers, I can say, or in the franchisee level it is. And it is not going to make a contradictory for the one-on-one coaching as well as the training program. These two things are the different things. So even counseling is also can happen in a one side in the counselor room, and the same time training program can also happen in another area. So this is how it splits in our program. So I am basically is based on what the child is choosing as a program in the center, and how many trainers we are having in the franchisee and how many counselors we are having in a franchisee. Accordingly, this financial benefits we get in a year module or in a month module. Done?
All right. Okay. Now, how many students would one need to reach a revenue model like this? For example, fingerprint, we have predicted a revenue of close to 9 lakhs. Life skills, we have predicted almost 8 lakhs. And further, we also have school-based and online skills, which is further, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So overall, 32 lakhs of revenue. How many unique students would the center need, to reach that level? And if that student batch can also be split between online, offline classes, and also school-based and center-based programs. What is the ratio of these two streams?
Basically, that is what. Center program, this is revenue we are showing here. It is a center programs and school-based and online. It is dividing in 3 areas as you are seeing here. Fingerprint analysis, what we do in the franchisee room or in a franchisee, the cost will be different. And whenever we do the same fingerprint analysis in the school, the cost will be different because we are getting a more numbers in the schools, right?
Right.
And when we are doing a one-on-one timing means the cost would be different. So based on that, we are fixing up a fee structure here. For example, 8,000 we may charge, 7,000 we may charge when we are doing in our franchise area, and it may different in schools. We may doing it for 4,000 also. We may doing it for 3,000 also per child. The cost will be vary. So it's mainly I can say that it's a number game.
Maybe Murli, they want to know how many fingerprint reports they have to do in a year to generate this revenue actually.
Uh,
And I'm sure, it takes time. Like what I said,
Yeah.
this all will not start happening in first month or first quarter. Any center would need some gestation time to reach that level. If that can also be discussed, we need 20 students, say in first month, 14, maybe in the second month. So by what time should the center start running on, maybe I would say 60, 70% of efficiencies? How long does it take to reach that kind of level? In the first year, and first year is a very critical year because that forms maybe the entire foundation of the center, and also helps reach out to a wider target audience, which is student. So what is the gestation time? How many students ideally one should have in year one, and in what time frame that number should be able to be touched?
For the year one, the earlier it was designed in such a way that minimum targets, minimum reports, and minimum number of students. Say, for example, we go to a school, there are 500 students. So entire year program. So we have taken it up like 500 students per school, something like that. So it was taken a minimum range of students and minimum number of, with that only we can achieve this much of revenue in the first year itself. So maybe Sonia ji, if people can contact us in one-on-one, we can really explain this in revenue model detail, I guess.
So we can do that. So
See,
friends,
here
so
it is
what?
showing that, for example, see, we are just calculated in a year only for 100 reports. See, when we are charging 6,000 rupees to a child, 10,000 students, it is 60,000. Right? 6 lakhs is just in a year, we are calculating only for 100 students in school premises itself. And when you are doing it in your franchisee area itself, we are charging more price there. It may be, for example, 9,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees. Again, we have calculated for a year only for 100 students. In our branch, actually, main head office, we are doing it minimum 30 reports in a month.
Okay, so your current center does about 30 every month. Your current center does 30.
If you consider, we are not taken it as 30 also when we are in the first year calculation. We have just taken only 10 reports like that.
Okay. So while your current center, because it might have reached certain level of maturity, it does on an average 30 minimum, and certain months it might even go beyond. Yes. But for the purpose of calculation here in this financial, we have taken about 10 as a benchmark, and this would increase maybe month on month, and maybe in the second, yes, third, and going in the last year, this number would increase, and maybe after some time stabilize there. Now, Murliji, coming on the expenses side also, I like you to maybe spend another 2 or 3 minutes. One, in terms of training, what kind of training is imparted to the franchisee himself. And second, because, while going through your own profiles and Maheshwari ji's profile, we understand you come from relevant backgrounds and experience. So what kind of faculty is required to run the center, and what kind of training would a franchise owner himself required to run and operate that center? And second, my question would be on the expenses, the charges, how many faculty members are required typically, what is the cost of the faculty which is there, and do we need a separate faculty for schools and separate faculty for center programs? How is that structured?
See, basically, we are mainly 2 trainers in our organization. For example, if our head office itself, a franchisee, if you consider it as, we are having 2 trainers, myself and Maheshwari are the 2 trainers, and we are having one more counselor. So she is taking care of fingerprint analysis on a one-on-one coaching side. And in a franchisee, so we are the people who are going to train in the franchisee itself. we do training in schools also as well as in franchise also. In a basic period, for example, for 3 months or 6 months durations. So one trainer and one counselor would be best, numbers, I can say that. So when we are into these programs in deeper level and understanding the business model in a different level, so that we can increase the counselor numbers also as per the interior of the branch, so that we can have 2 counselor rooms or 3 counselors rooms. So when we are getting more orders, so as we are showing in the financial models, we have given very less numbers in the first year. 100 numbers, 100 students in a year means, so when you're connecting to schools, when you're showing the results, you will get a more numbers from the schools. In upcoming days, we are not showing in this business module, we are going to train on handwriting areas also, handwriting analysis classes, so that child can improve in his handwriting also. That is also part of this business only. That is also coming in upcoming days. So that is how, what I'm going to say is, in starting days or starting months, we can have only one trainer and one counselor. How the business module is happening, and when we are understanding it in a different level, so that we can increase the numbers based on the business how we are getting.
Sure. So what you're suggesting is it does not need too many people because of the nature of the business. As the business moves, the capabilities at the franchise center level can be also upgraded should the need be.
Yes.
And
See, for
Mukesh, you have
example, now I'm also a counselor, right? So in a day, I do minimum 3 to 4 counselings.
Hmm.
Now we are doing online counseling sessions. So I mean, in a day, I do minimum 3 to 4 counselings. So when you have 2 or 3 counselors, you can, in a day minimum, you can complete 10 counselings. If you charge minimum 6,000 rupees, it is 60,000.
Hmm.
But for the better understanding module, we have given very less numbers here. But that is possible. When we are connecting more schools, we are not only conducting training programs in schools, we can conduct in colleges also. There we can do career counseling part also for the 12th standard students and for overall the degree level students. So that is also be there. Now we are given a structure only for the school environment. We never ever shown to a college level. That is also part of in the program.
Hmm.
Got it?
Sure. Now, Monish, that also brings me to another question. And because you talked, the target audience base can be a very wide base from K-12 to even college students. So, if you can also tell, how many, who's exactly our target audience? Do we have more children coming from classes where they are selecting a career, or we are having more students coming at early age, which are formative years, say less than 4.5? So what is the age group, and especially between these two, because you have life skills as one stream, and then you have fingerprints, and fingerprints is typically done when people are choosing their career, and life skill starts very early age, which is formative years. So between these two, who's your target audience, and what is the mix of that audience between these two business streams?
Frankly telling, madam, we are getting in the age group of 10 to 15, we are getting more numbers actually, as well as we are getting in adolescence age also, who want to create their career in their life, and who want to change their career because of the circumstances they had been to different career, right? Now they want to know their uniqueness and they want to start up something new in their life. So that we are getting adults also in this fingerprint analysis concept. As you're saying that we are starting up a new online training program for children also. So that is from 5 to 15 age. So for your question, I can say that we are having all age group people here to serve. Everyone are our clients, I can say. We are having a bigger number of audience, I can say.
So to add up to this, Sonia madam, so what happens is many parents are quite aware and conscious now that they want to really know the personality of the child and then raise the child in a very beautiful way. There are certain such audience also, and as you said, the people who are really taking care of their career, that time also we can target in, and we can target the corporates also, where we are stepping in as a corporate trainers, and we have just started, and there also we can pitch in for their just minimal report, that's not the depth report, and people might have questions, why is it charged so. So we have quite a good certification from Central Government of India, and we have a data security certification. We are the best, I can say, in terms of fingerprint analysis and the counseling part. What others are doing is that they're just doing, this is your intelligence and this is where you can go. Minimal brief counseling is being done, but in depth, depth analysis of why is it like that, you are behaving in a certain way, why is the person behaving in a certain way, and their health issues, everything is been assessed and counseled in a very very detailed manner. That's how Unique Truth stands out from others actually.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. This also brings me to a question, because I saw a lot of comments coming on the efficacy of programs, especially biometrics, how efficient they are, how well these programs are recognized, and is there any success stories or percentage of success stories? So, do you want to talk anything on that line?
Yeah,
The efficacy of these programs is one question which I wanted you to elaborate, because a lot of people think, while these are done, but what is the efficacy, what is the authorization behind these, and how relevant these biometrics are in deciding the skills or career lines for a student?
okay, so this has been like, as per we have now done 3,000, more than 3,000 plus reports. They can go through our website also, the testimonial part. The accuracy part is very high. Okay, I can say 95 plus, that much accuracy. It's not given by me, but the clients who have gotten the fingerprints, they have done. And as I told you, the data security certification is also been there with us. So we are maintaining that much accurately the data, and accuracy has been guaranteed. These two things. In other question, what was the other question, Sonia ji?
It was only efficacy, because a lot of people are asking on the efficacy. I saw somebody even, referring to an article in Telegraph, which
Yeah.
did not, reflect printing fingerprint in the right light. So that is where I wanted to pick your mind to explain, how relevant and these programs are, how much of the trust level people have, and how efficiently these can be monitored with results. So that was the question. And Meshwari ji, one other question which I wanted to, and if we can even have, is also one I'm seeing from one of our partners, and it did came to my mind too. Is there some kind of a report or a template that we can see and showcase to our audience? What kind of reports are we taking out after these fingerprints? And what does this report tell? If there's a template around that, and if we are able to share that, maybe a template report of how these fingerprint reports look like, would also be helpful.
Yeah, first I'll explain the efficacy part. We, as I told you, we have generated n number of reports, and there are reports, there are articles telling that it is not accurate, or that's not, perfect. But as per we have done the reports, and we have counseled the people, including me. If I'm sitting here as a trainer or as a counselor, that's only based on my uniqueness. That I'm here only after generating my report. And we have published an article in the book called Functional Genomics of Mind, where we have presented a 15 page of article on fingerprint analysis. And we have presented the case study also, even that book is available in Amazon. And we have presented the case study, where we have worked with people assessing their uniqueness, and we have worked on their health issues. A person who has been really suffering from constipation from say 8 years, okay, what the personality of a person and how it has affected that particular person, how that particular has to work on that issue. So that has been guided, and we have wonderful results. Actually, we have produced amazing results. And yeah, we have a lot of testimonials also, and we have some YouTube videos and testimonial videos also based on our fingerprint analysis. So efficacy part, there are articles which say that fingerprint is not right. There are many articles which say that if fingerprints support. Even I am looking to do, present many papers wherein, because I have done myself the entire family members reports or studied many reports. So genetically also there is so much of inheritance, why the genetical inheritance of so many parts when in come in terms of uniqueness. So that is also been proved. There are many articles which you can see in that particular article where we have presented. There are supporting articles where which supports, which talks about fingerprint analysis in a very positive way. And if you can give me few minutes, then I can
Sure.
visibly show. I think Murali, can you present something, or I'll just give me a second.
Yes,
not
let me allow to share my screen so
okay.
that I can present.
Okay.
Maheshwari ma'am, for Murli to share a screen, you have to remove your screen.
Okay. Moment. So
Murli said, now you can share.
Okay. Yeah, it is visible now. Is it is visible?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, let me come from the beginning. Actually, these are the basic informations about the report. How this report is work from 0 month to 3 years, and how it is going to help for a child which is from 4 year to 12 year, and 13 year to 22 years. And when it is comes to adolescence age, and what is the benefit for the adults. So like that, it is going to be help for each age group people. And when we do in a schools, what kind of programs we can do on same fingerprint analysis, and when we enter into corporates, how it works. And you were asking about the efficacy part. See, here it is that how the science works when we are growing in a age from 0 to 6 or 16, how our brain developments. So it is basically it's depend upon every unique child and unique personality, I can say that. So on that basis, there are science is proven many secrets on all these areas. So we are going to elaborate all these informations and how it is going to effectively works for each individuals in a different age group. These are all the basic informations for each one we get in the report. And the exact report gets starts in the page number 7. Actually, this is the exact page we it is connected to individuals. Okay, there are mainly 4 personalities. It is the you can see here adaptive is ticked here. That is a person's personality. So every personality has its own behavior part. We may come to understand a very deeper level, as we are saying that the informations which we are giving, it is 95+% accurate. So it is not saying by Murli or Maheshwari, it is saying from the clients whom we are served till now. So they may be professionals, they may be child, they may be homemakers, whoever it is. They may be a company CEOs also. They are agreeing with all the behavioral part which they have observed from the childhood. So we are going in detail psychological aspects with each behavioral part. See, when my mood get on, when my mood get off. This is most of the people who are emotionally imbalanced, they may not come to a proper emotional balance, right? So that we are explaining each things. Here again, some more behavioral aspects, what I love in my life, what I hate in my life, which is the motivation method to Murli first of all. So there are many motivational trainers on this earth, right? So whenever they motivate, I may motivate for 2 days, 3 days. Again, I come back to normal condition, right? But because as per my uniqueness, my motivation methods are different. So we are getting that aspects here also, as well as what I prefer in my life, what I have to consciously aware of my qualities so that I can work on myself in a different level. Next, success tips are really different for each individuals, I can say. Here, the things are very different comparing to any other fingerprint analysis companies across the world. We are very unique. Okay. And this is the Razak theory, which is using in foreign countries to categorize the jobs. So where they're really having a creativity and the passion on a particular area. There are 6 dimensions here, which is the first rank and the second rank. We suggest people to go accordingly to choose any profession. Okay. And you may aware of the brain dominance. You will come to know that which would be the main, more dominating brain in you, so that your lifestyle would be accordingly. See, in this person, it's an example report. It is left brain dominant. As well as here we'll come to know the concentration level, which is occipital lobe, and the prefrontal lobe, which is connected to behavior and executional part. So each page is explained in detail with numbers. So when you are seeing itself, you cannot come to know that what would be the best in me, what would be the areas I need to improve in myself. So unique truth only giving the standard numbers here, that which is the below number would be has to improve, and which is the number is high, that is an excellent area in you. So that when you see here, see this guy percentage is 14.78, is the best communicator compare anybody on this earth. He has this inbuilt potential communication. He has to work on this, then he would be excellent in his communication. Again, here the self-achievement part. When he work with a group, he cannot perform well. When he work alone, then his performance would be high. So that each theory is going to explain in very detailed level. And here the grasping speed of a person, maybe any information can be understand to one person when the grasping speed is high. Maybe one person may be here 2 times, 3 times, then only can understand the things. That part also will be shared here. So it is going to help in the office environment also, as well as nurturing a child in the family. Here it is cognitive level, affective level. This is how our brain thinks. There are 5 ways of brain thinking patterns. Here, which is the dominant, in that way only he understands the life in a very better level, so that he can perform very well in that area. Like that. And this is the WAC theory. Even everyone are heard about this, which is the learning dominant method in me, so that I can learn better, so that my concentration level, confidence level will be increased. And this is the multiple quotients, where we get 4 quotients. All these quotients has to be crashed to a number level, then I can achieve very big in my life. And this is the multiple intelligence. Everybody heard about it. It's the main theory which is used in preschools to develop a curriculum. But in Indian education, we are not giving a more preference to it. But in India or in Unique Truth, we are giving a more preference to this theory, so that which is lacking, we have to work in this area. For example, you can see here visual is the less compared to other intelligences. Till we develop this visual intelligences, other intelligences will not give the results in anybody's life, because this is the energy leaker. Like that, every person get different intelligences. We help every individual to how to develop an intelligence. Okay, and each intelligence is explained in detail, and it is one of the international and universal theory, which is called McKinsey theory. Where is your happiness lies in your life? If your happiness lies in a family, you have to get a happiness in the family. But when your happiness is lies with the friends, you will not grow in your life. It has to be come from within, right? Self-happiness would be at first rank. So we help, and our training programs, which is Unique Parenting or Secrets of Life, is based on all these theories, and we help each individual to improve the self-happiness. Then only success can align you to. Okay, and this is the best hobby which has crossed 10%. You can be performed. See, music is there, drama is there, and bird watching is there, and cookery is there, which are crossed 10% and above. They are eligible to perform in an international level. They can compete to international level competitions. So it is all very much accurate, and this is also a career guidelines. You get 4 different pages in detail, which you get 5 stars. You can create your profession on this basis. Which is 2 star, 3 star, 1 star, you are not at all eligible over there. See, for example, sports is there. For this particular person, sport is not at all going to make a victory for his life, because there is no 5 stars. If parents impose a child to perform in sports, he will not be survived. He cannot sustain over there. Like that, you are getting a wonderful details on career part also. This is a relationship compatibility, where we can improve a harmony in our life. It may be workplace also, as well as family life also. And this is the SWOT analysis page, where you can understand your inborn strengths as well as weaknesses. And we are going to give a solutions where you have to improve on, work on your weaknesses. There are techniques and tools for that. There is a leadership style. There are 4 types of leadership here. We will get to know that what kind of leader I am. So for example, this person is a goal-oriented leader, object-oriented leader. So if I am approaching in a relationship-oriented way, or a concept-oriented or task-oriented, he will not perform best in his profession, wherever he is. So that is also explained in detail. And this is how, when your brain produces a creative, healthy, and productive thoughts. It's really depend upon each individuals. See, when he listens something, then his brain will produce a healthy thoughts. It is revealed in unique truth only. If you go to any other company's fingerprint analysis, they are not at all touch this area, because we are experts. We are into this field from past 8 years. Each page, each aspect has a secrets. We are going to reveal on each individual's basis. And this is making sense which 5 sensory organ is working very dominantly. That is your love language, we say in unique truth. Love language is one of the beautiful science and psychological subject we never touch in India itself. So you can sense love in only particular way. You cannot sense love in all the ways with your closest people in your life, so that it is also be explained in detail. And next is, it's a summary page, and we are going to give our remarks after the ending. Actually, each briefing would take 2 hours. So this is how each report is available when we get a fingerprint analysis done.
It's very, very comprehensive, Murliji. And how many hours does it take to get the entire report? Because it needs a lot of inputs from a child or maybe an individual. So how many hours it takes to take out the entire report?
Actually, madam, we take 2 working days actually, because each fingers we have to analyze. Why unique truth saying that 95% plus accurate? Because we are not doing anything simply with doing sake, because it's a life matter of a person, right? Even 1% miss, it is missed entire thing. So that we take a more time, and as I said, it's a 2 working days to generate 1 report. So it's another team which we work in our team, so that these people are taking care of generating the report and analyzing the report.
And I would say this is a very, very detailed, comprehensive report, and it kind of answers a lot of questions which our investors and prospective business buyers have asked. And like Maheshwari ji and Murli ji had mentioned, every child is unique, and he or she, they have their own personality traits which are unique to them, their own interest levels, their preferences, attitude, values, strength, and weakness. So all that dimensions have been taken into consideration when capturing this report, which gives you very measurable results for an individual or a child. And Murliji, I'll take maybe 1 or 2 questions. And friends, if you're looking at one-to-one discussions with Murliji and Maheshwari ji, you can share your details, and we can have a one-to-one call aligned with the team. And also we can share our email ID and also our hotline number in the chat box, where you can put in your details. And I'll take 1 question which I'm seeing. One is from our investor, Mr. Guru Kumar. How can we approach the school management for tying up, I think especially in these days because it is pandemic, and what is the approach one should adopt? And the second question which I'll take is from Mr. Shankar. He's asking the fingerprints will be analyzed only in the head office or the center, or they can be done in the schools also?
No, actually, I'm going to answer for the second question. All the fingerprint analysis can be done in only the the head office, which is Unique Truth, which is located in Bangalore. Because the accurate part and the accuracy part, we are looking here at a different level, so that we only going to analyze each reports. If you send 100,000, we are going to take care of it, because it's a very crucial and confusing data. If I miss one single number here and one coding here, entire report will be different. Sure. So this is one of the thing. And see, management level, we are unable to connect to management in this pandemic time. And wherever we have worked with the schools, we are getting the orders from the schools. So we are the counselors, we are the trainers, we give our best services. If child is not performing well in academics or the behavioral issues, so school is going to directly connect those children. Our work with are going to give children to work with them, so that we are getting a business like that. Nowadays, once this pandemic is over, then we can able to approach schools with the same concept. Till the time over the online marketing we can do that, and YouTube marketing, all this digital marketing only it is working.
Sure, that's very
And I
helpful.
would like to add one more thing to this point for the school management. So what happened during the pandemic, there was 3 months free, no? That time we had approached the schools. They were really open. Few schools were really open. The idea was that it was absolutely necessary. The emotional stability of the children part, that was really important. That's why we got a chance to work with 4 schools in last 3 months. Actually, when it was open for 3 months, we had got a chance to work with 4 different schools. So now, even in the new education policy, the students and the management is looking for these kind of programs actually to be inculcated in their curriculum. So there is a high chances for us.
Sure, sure, Maheshwari ji. And before we close, I'll just request maybe a message that you want to give to everybody who's listening here. And I will also request a day that we can bring and consider that as a discovery day where anybody who's wanting to get more information, understanding on the business format and the model can also get in touch one-to-one with you. So any last message words that you have for the audience, we can start with that.
Yeah, let me give a message to all the entrepreneurs who are all here. So this is one of the business module where can reach each houses on this earth. Everybody wants to be happy in their life, but happiness is always life with their passion and the hobbies which they do in their life, right? So that from past 8 years, I am experiencing life like anything. I am happy with each client, whoever I'm giving the services, and my life is so beautiful. So I have gained the knowledge in a very deeper level. If you are a counselor, if you are a trainer, if you have 10 years of experience in your field, but still there is a deeper level of understanding about each individual. So Unique Truth is going to give you a wonderful clarity how to understand each uniqueness. Uniqueness subject itself a very new subject to us. But in Unique Truth, uniqueness you can understand so easily. Uniqueness is basically on a 2 ways. One is inborn as well as acquired knowledge. So through the report, we can analyze how much person has acquired the knowledge in his life. We can predict to that level. And which is connected to inborn qualities also, so that combining both the things, we can give a wonderful clarity about uniqueness, so that overall really interested to serve the world in a very positive way and a healthy way. Kindly connect Unique Truth. It's my humble request, so that we can serve the each individual at a very different level. So we can change the training era, I can say. In future, I am developing a content. Our personality development training programs will not in general. We do fingerprint analysis. We bifurcate people into different category and we start giving the trainings. So this is what Unique Truth is going to coming up with different training programs. So we have undergone different training programs, but still our concept is something different compared to others. So it's my request and honorable, input to you all. Just get more clarity about the business and be with us. Let's serve the world in an ethical way.
Absolutely, Murli. I would say the overall education landscape is also transforming very much in front of everybody's eyes, and the need for supplementary education options that are being looked is now a very universal phenomenon. And especially every child is looking at avenues because they come at a stage where they're not too sure of what they should get in, and programs like these certainly help them in taking a decision, which is very important for their life. So, friends, with this, we will also take your leave. And I will also request Arshna, if you have decided on a Discovery Day, we can announce that day to our audience. And I will also request you to also take over and mention about the other webinars that we're conducting during the day and tomorrow.
Sure. So, ma'am, 25th of May, which is Tuesday, is the Discovery Day we have set for all our investors, and they can book their slot with us. So, Murli sir, if I can request, if you can remove your screen.
Yeah,
So thank you so much, Ms. Maheshwari. Thank you so much, Murli sir, for joining in today and sharing your business idea with us. We would like to thank Sonia ma'am also for sparing time and joining us today. Dear friends, thank you so much for joining us on Sunday afternoon for this particular brand. If you are interested to have one-to-one interaction with Murli sir or Maheshwari ma'am, please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. We have kept 25th of May as a discovery day. You also connect with us at different social handles. We are available at Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Do share your suggestion and feedback with us because that will help us in improving our process. Connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And since it's Sunday, Sunday is very special for us because we try to engage you for the entire day with maximum business opportunities. We invite you to join us for our East India franchise show, which will start at 4 p.m. So from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., our objective is to give and bring the best of the opportunities for you. Do registration for the same at business hotline number. And after that, 7 p.m. under 30 days, 30 city shows, we invite you to join us for Vadodara chapter, where again, we will bring 5 top opportunities for you. So 2 programs for 2 days. One will start at 4, second will start at 7. And tomorrow under business opportunity over chai webinar series, we invite you to join us for great brand from Bombay. That is the Pure Sure, the Fresh Press. That's the brand we are bringing for you. So please do registration for all the 3 different programs we have got for you. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy.
Yeah, finally, sorry, Archana, I want to add one point
Yes.
here. Overall, the investors here, connect us personally and we can analyze your fingerprint analysis and we can understand your uniqueness. Once you are satisfied with our services, the counseling part and the solutions which we are giving to improving the areas in your life, then you can take a call. See, nothing should not be blind and something should be frank, right? It has to be clear cut things. When your heart is satisfied with our service, then you put a step to become an investor in Unique Truth and Franchise India, I can say. Thank you so much. Connect us. We are happy. We are happy and proud to serve you all.
Suggestion. Thank you.
Yeah.
And that's very transparent of you. You know, you're giving every investor who wants to buy the business first to try and test. Only if they're satisfied with what the report is, then they take a decision. So what it means is that even before they invest, you're ready to invest with them to bring that comfort and confidence in them. So friends, this is a good initiative. Anyone who wants to reach out, we will be happy to block your session calls with the Murli ji and Maheshwari ji. And 25th is the day that we are looking. In case you are available or not available also on those dates, you can let us know. We can fix an alternate day or a time based on the mutual convenience. Thank you once again, friends, for being with us. Thank you so much, Murli ji. Thank you so much, Maheshwari. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in.